What is gas? Gas is a section of matter that can fit any shape and any size of container it is put in. Molecules in a gas are packed very loosely, allowing the particles to move around freely. If certain gases are heated at high heats, they will combine with other gases, resulting in combustion. An example of this is rust and the oxidization of iron. If certain gases are cooled down to a cool enough temperature, they may become liquids or solids. Nitrogen becomes liquid nitrogen at 0 degrees Celsius. Where are gases found? Gases can be found anywhere. They are in the atmosphere and the air that we breathe. They are also used and found in medical practices and in food production, along with many others. When do we use gas? All the time. When we inhale or exhale, gas is being used. Gas has existed on Earth since its creation. Why do we need gas? That's like asking, why do we need to breathe, eat, or sleep? We need it to survive. Without gas, we could not function as humans. Nothing on this earth could thrive without crucial gases like oxygen. No plants or trees or wildlife would survive without gases, and neither would we. What I'm trying to stress is, gases are so important to us and our lives. We would not have the same luxury of living if gases didn't exist. Gases in medical practices, transportation, communication, and food would not be able to be used. Helium gas is used to cool MRI scanners. Oxygen gas flows through oxygen tanks that many people rely on using. Carbon dioxide is used in the production and manufacturing of aspirin. Hospitals use a gas supply of liquid nitrogen and oxygen. Airbags save lives as they deploy within milliseconds after a collision. They are filled with a gas mixture under a pressure between 200 to 500 bars. Helium, argon, and oxygen are used in the airbags. Helium and nitrogen are used in concerts to create special effects like balloon droppings, lasers, and fog machines. Nitrogen and carbon dioxide are used to perfectly age and harvest grapes as well as store wine. Carbon dioxide is used for white wine, and argon and nitrogen is used for red wine to remove any atmospheric oxygen from the wine before it is bottled. Food packaged in open air can result in bacteria or mold growth in the product. A combination of nitrogen and carbon dioxide is used when packaging foods like sandwiches and salads to contain freshness of the product and a longer shelf life. Certain greenhouses use carbon dioxide to increase the temperature so plants can grow faster and tolerate warmer temperatures. This also means in colder regions like Canada, fruit and vegetable products can be grown all year round without suffering in the cold winter weather. Gases play an important role in the production of semiconductor components which are found in computers and mobile telephones. High-tech areas such as the production of glass fibers, solar cells, and flat screens have been created by gases. Liquid nitrogen helps reduce harmful substances in chemical and industrial practices. Nitrogen or carbon dioxide is used to recycle PVC plastic by cooling down the motor used to grind the PVC into a fine powder. If the PVC gets too hot from the heat generated from the motor, it will clump together.
Mix about 100 milliliters of vinegar with some dishwashing liquid. Then, in another beaker, dissolve about 2 teaspoons of sodium bicarbonate in water. Place a candle in the middle of a larger bowl and slowly pour the two solutions in at the same time. Make sure not to pour over the candle, just around it. When the two solutions mix, the reaction produces carbon dioxide, which is heavier than oxygen. The carbon dioxide takes the place of the oxygen in the bottom of the bowl and the flame suffocates.